Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do factorization by s squared. Similar for this one. We have s minus 4, s minus 4. We can do about factorization. Next, we do partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 4, capital BS plus C over s squared plus 1. Because we have the power 2, that means on numerator, we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. That's why we have s, and later that we reduce, go back to s to the power of 0 in here. Next, we need to do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s minus 4. So bs plus c multiplied by s minus 4. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus b. About s, we have negative 4b plus c. About the numbers, we have a minus 4c. Now we need to compare coefficients. We just have only s, and that is about number 1. So negative 4b plus c equals to number 1. We don't have s squared and the numbers, so a plus b and a minus 4c equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. Now I will put A, B, C go in here. So A equals to 4 over 17, B equals to negative number 4 over 17, C equals to 1 over 17. Now we need to separate them in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 4 over 17, ln of the absolute value of s minus 4. The integration of this one, we have negative number 4 over 17 multiplied by 1 over 2, ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. The next one, that's about arctan of s, and I will put about c. So number 4 and number 2, we simplify. This is the end. Thank you for watching.